being Tamilans, because we have this festival for all our domestic animals, Mattu Pongal. Mattu Pongal was created to thank all the domestic animals for their service and support. These days, Mattu Pongal is celebrated to apologize to them. Imagine a milkman standing in front of his cow saying, "My dear cow, I'm very sorry for making you do all those works. I'm extremely sorry for the work I'm going to make you do in the upcoming year. But let us have an agreement between you and me, a cowman agreement. When you want to urinate, let me know. I shall bring you a bottle. My dear cow, one bottle of comium is rupees 50. Let us not waste that. So when you want to urinate, give me a signal." Those days when a cow walks down the street. Friends, do you remember the name of all the cows in Tamil Nadu? They all have a single name. And the person who gave that name to us is Mr. Ramarajan. Remember that song? Shenbagame, Shenbagame. If you thought the name was Lakshmi, you were mistaken, because Lakshmi is the name of all the taxis in Tamil Nadu. Thanks to Mr. Rajinikanth. Start, Lakshmi, start. So when Shenbagam walks down the street saying, "Moo," anybody in that street would say, "Hey Shenbagam, come here. I shall give you food." These days when Shenbagam walks down the street, anybody in the street would say, "Hey Shenbagam, come here. I shall have you for food." To say beef in brief. Those days our ancestors fought with the bulls in Jallikattu. These days we have to fight for Jallikattu. Please give us Jallikattu. That is our culture, tradition. Pita, we show you Tata. Those days people would have added the name of the cow in ration card. These days they are still added in the menu card in hotels. Our ancestors made these domestic animals proud when they named the bus stand in Madurai as Mattuthavadi bus stand. All the animals were happy. But Mr. MGR stole the fame from them, because it's not Mattuthavadi bus stand anymore. It is MGR bus stand now. The number of all the domestic animals have reduced drastically. Won't you agree? In 20 years in the future, cows will be seen in zoos. Imagine a scene, a father and son standing in front of a cow in a zoo. The father says, "Son, the animal with the horns, that is a cow. It gives us milk, so learn about it." And the son says, "Why the shit should I learn about it, father?" And the father says, "You should learn because its shit is valuable, son, so learn about it." The only people who make use of all these domestic animals are the teachers in the classroom, especially when they give the progress report. "Buffalo, buffalo, what is this mark? Donkey, what kind of handwriting is this?" That's where these animals are called and made use of. The teachers will take it to the next level. They even promote these animals. When they say, "நீ எல்லாம் படிக்கிற படிப்புக்கு 4 மாடை வாங்கி மேய்க்கலாம்." Friends, right there is the best career counseling you can ever get. If you follow that advice, you will become Annamalai Rajinikanth. If you don't follow that, you will become an engineer. You decide what you want to be in your life. So if you have an idea to buy a Labrador dog or a German Shepherd, drop that idea, bury it. Buy a cow. You can get cow's milk, urine and shit. You can get nothing from a Labrador's shit. You cannot go to your friend and say, "Hey, this is my Labrador's shit. How much will you pay for that?" They will pay you nothing. At least cow dung will prevent germs from entering your house. So friends, instead of calling your friend on Mattu Pongal day to say, "Happy birthday da macha," buy a cow and make them live.